Today is job swap day for the Suzuki family. They swap jobs once a month. It's 6 p.m. Everybody is doing different things. The father, Kenta Suzuki, usually cleans the bath, but he is cooking dinner now. Kenta is good at cutting vegetables, but he is not good at cooking. The vegetables are sometimes too hard. The chicken is sometimes too pink on the inside. The mother, Mika Suzuki, always cooks dinner, but she is playing computer games now. Mika likes computer games, but she usually doesn't have time for them. She is playing Minecraft now. The 10-year-old son, Taro Suzuki, sometimes plays computer games, but he is studying high school science now. Taro likes science. His sister's high school science is interesting, but it is too difficult for him. The 16-year-old daughter, Rina Suzuki, usually does her homework, but she is cleaning the bath now. Let's see how they are doing. Rina, how is cleaning the bath going?
It's going okay. I don't like cleaning the bath, but I like helping my family, so it's okay.
Taro, how is high school science going?
It's going well. I like studying high school science sometimes, because after that, my school science feels easy.
Mika, how is Minecraft going?
It's going well. I didn't like it at first, but now it feels fun.
Kenta, how's cooking dinner going?
It's going badly. I hate cooking. It seems easy for my wife, but it's too difficult for me. This carrot feels too hard. The chicken seems too pink. Help me!